Okay, so you can see this is the front of the kayak, and you can see in here I have this 6 mAh lithium batteries, 12 volts, 6 mAh lithium battery. It's super lightweight, but I can't mount it like that. As a matter of fact, in here there is this higher position to place the battery box. So I'm gonna have to glue something onto that higher pedestal and then place this batteries in that box and sit on top of that pedestal, because this pedestal, every behind it, around it, next to it, it's all lower than that high spot. So that is the high spot to mount the batteries for the transducer. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so I just used this wire cutter. This scissor is actually for cutting gutter. So it's very heavy duty. And then all I did was I just cut it using the wire cutter. And now I can just sit this in there, and I use my heat gun to soften the plastic here so that it bends like that. So now I can just sit this battery in there. And the other thing I did was I got a two-sided tape. As you can see, this is a foam, some kind of foam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this apart and take this side of the glue apart, as you can see, and then glued it onto the pedestal of the kayak. And then this is where the battery is going to sit. So I think the other thing I could do is cut this and then bend this piece out, because right now it's not, I can bend this piece out so it doesn't look like a square piece. So that's what I'm doing here. Bend this piece out. Oops, actually not there, it should be here. Yeah, I should cut here. And then bend this piece out. So I'm gonna apply some heat gun to this, and then be able to, when it's soft, and bend it out so that this battery can sit in here. But I guess this is also good. This is actually flipping it, try to keep it there, so maybe I'll just leave it like that, not do anything more. Okay, so that's what this is, and I'm gonna tape it down into this inside of the kayak. Here we go. I found this index card box that I'm not using, and it looks just almost perfect, and I'm hoping I can just put this box in here. So what I'm gonna do is gonna try to cut it so that this battery can, you know, slide into the boxes, and that's what I'm trying to do here. So I think I'm gonna cut it here. Oh, so hard. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm going to tape it into that. I'm peeling this two-sided tape off. Just gonna tape it down like so. And I'm gonna bring the battery over to here.